Oh! Just gonna wait for a peck. See what happens. What you really want to do is you want to kind of take your creature bait and just kind of pop them very close to the bottom here on these beds. What happens is that you want them to simulate eating the eggs off the bed, if that makes any sense. So what'll happen here is that the mama or the dad will come back and try to peck you off or just inhale you fully, which is kind of what I'm hoping to get from this, because it's a pretty big bait and I want him to take that whole thing in. Perfect. That's exactly where I wanted it. Okay. And that's kind of like the whole point here, is to get them to really get pissed off at you sneaking on their beds here long enough for them to take you whole. Alright, well, I'm going to try a different angle. Apparently this angle is not one they're fond of, so here we go. Kind of where I wanted it to hit, actually. They should cross about... Oh. Got him. Oh, yeah. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's there. Oh, yeah. She's a big one. She's a big one. Oh. We came here to look for a biggin, and we got ourselves a biggin. Come on. Gotcha. You gave me a fight, that's for sure. Thank you. This day did not go bad. Here, we're gonna need to get our pliers. Alrighty. There it is. That's what we're talking about, guys. That is what we're talking about. You did not want to let up, did you? Zero. We got a 3.7. 3.7. Not a bad weight on him. Not a bad weight. Alright, buddy. You played a good fight, my friend. What a fucking awesome fight that was. Alright. There it is. Perfect. Alright. That was awesome. Let's get back to it. So it was really all about moving that angle. Sometimes the fish aren't really positioned where your bait is most easily attacked. So sometimes you just have to move and throw in the same spot, right? Same spot. We're not saying throw it in a different spot. What I'm saying is you want to change the angle of your retrieve, which is going to really kind of there we go. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. See that? Right there. Right there. This one's a small one. This one's a small one. But a fish nonetheless. That's a popper right there. Talking about changing your angle, right? Talk about changing your angle. Sharp little teeth today. There we go. There it is. Look at that. Let's go wash him off and then show him off. Wash him off and show him off. Look at that. Tiny little guy, but he's a fat one. He's been eating. That's good. Alright. give him a proper goodbye. Proper goodbye. Here he goes. Alright. Again, just changing your angle. Same spot. Same spot we've been fishing and getting nothing today. We changed our angle. And we've come up prosperous in the hunt for some big bass here today. This right here, the Hoax Scam Shad. Hoax Scam Shad. I've actually been using this for my last couple of trips, and it's been quite phenomenal bait. The only thing I have a problem with is the fact that they are so thin where the hook goes into here. So you can see this piece right here is as thin as where the hook goes in the middle here. So this girth right here isn't really meat that you can stick a hook into. So when this is second bass, right? I mean, it completely destroys it. But I will not say that it's not a good bait, because for sure, as you can tell, they are quite successful in the hookup. Oh well, last cast. That's what it was. What a dink. Alright.